Hey guys, I'm making another video on this 2008 Nissan Armada. The blower motor went out. It stopped throwing air in the front. The back was still throwing air, but the front had just completely it was unworking. So this was the cause of it. This is the blower motor. Basically it goes under there. I'll show y'all right now. And it's basically 4 bolts. This right here has 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and those are 732s. Let me see if I can show you. That socket's a 732, and then you need one more bolt, which is a 7mm. It's a little clip that's underneath there, and it just holds this like in place. So it's 3 bolts and 1 plug. Well, actually 4 bolts and 1 plug, and basically it's just holding it like that, and then it comes straight down. Pretty simple. I used an extension. This is what I use. Four tools, and you could get this done. Let me go ahead and show y'all. Yes, you're gonna have to lay on your back. I'm using the light so y'all can see. Okay, here, so this is the blower motor right here. Right there. So it's basically 1, 2, and then 3. And then this is the other one, the 7mm that I told you. It's just a clip. It just, I don't know, I guess it holds it there. So it's basically those 4. So basically you just loosen this one up, loosen it up, do the same for that one, the one over there, the one over there, and then this one. Basically it's those 4 bolts that hold it in, and then it drops right down, and then just unplug this. You can actually unplug it before you take out the bolts. Just push it and pull it. I'm not actually like gonna remove it because I just changed it and I don't want to do the process again, but it's very simple. If you're a girl, you could do this yourself. Like, it doesn't matter. Why pay somebody to fix it for you? You could do this. All you need is a 7mm and a 732, an extension, and a wrench. But I hope that helps. The truck is dirty. It's been raining, but check it out. It's pretty noisy. It's pretty noisy. It's aftermarket. If you want to do it the proper way, try to get OEM. You know, OEM is always the best. It usually tends to last longer, and it doesn't have weird noises like that one. That one's aftermarket. It was maybe like 50 bucks. I don't know. But yeah, let me know if this video helps. Like, comment, subscribe. I try to do you know, whatever I can to show y'all. I hope y'all like the video. But yeah, like, basically I made this video because there's only videos on Nissan Titans. I didn't see none for the Armada, and this is a 2008. So I know there's a few different years for the Armadas, and it's the same thing.